I do gigs on the Field Agent app almost every day. It's my favorite side hustle. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I use this app to make over $8,000, mostly $3 at a time. So this is what the app is going to look like when you launch it. Depending on the time of the month, time of the day, and the location, there will be a different amount of gigs. Right here, I did Delray Beach, kind of West Palm Beach area, a pretty populated city area in Florida. So for this example, now, to do this app, you are going to reserve these gigs and then you're going to go complete the tasks. So let's look at a couple and see what we would do. So if you wanted to go download this app and go work right now, you'd go find one of these. So if it says 2, that means there's 2 gigs. If it says 1, that means there's 1 gig. So I click on this 2 one. This is a buy and try. I've been doing this app for like 8 years. I do not do these. So you could hide the jobs that you're not going to do so it doesn't get confusing, because there's a lot of gigs that I don't do at all. You can do them if you want, but I'm going to show you how to get rid of them. So buy and try over here, you could just swipe right, hide jobs. Ratings and reviews, I don't do those ones. Hide the job, priority job, that's fine. Audits. So now when I hit map again, it's going to be only the jobs that I want to do. And this can help me plan my route or see if I was going to be in that area anyway, so that you're not wasting money on gas. So now I press map. So these are all ones that I would do. So for example, if you were going from West Palm Beach to Boca, you would be passing all these places anyway. Or if you wanted to do this as a side hustle, this would be a great area to start in. So we're going to find the gig that we want to do. So this one is Aldi Cookies Cracks Snack Bars. So you click it, this one specifically. So now you could reserve this for 4 hours. So what you want to do is reserve a bunch of them, and you have 4 hours, and then you go and do them. So this one is going to be $3. Don't let the low price scare you off, because these add up really fast, and this one would probably take less than 5 minutes. So you're going to need to take a picture of each 4-foot section of the cookie section, the cracker section, snack bars, and then nuts and seeds and stuff like that, which sounds like a lot, but at Aldi's, it's really just like one aisle. And these are shelf view gigs. That's mostly what you're going to be doing on this app. You just have to go to this store, take the pictures, and then leave. You don't have to deliver anything. You don't have to use your car for anything except for getting to the store. Once you reserve the gig, this is what it's going to look like. So you reserve the gig, and then you go to work. This is going to show all the ones that you did, and then you'll find one that you have. This is one that I did. I didn't feel like doing it. It was raining, so I went home without doing it. But I did all of these ones today. Did about 10 today. So you're going to click it. Make sure you have storage on your phone. I have to delete these screen recording. It's going to give you all this information, so you might think that you have to read it all. If you watch this video, you don't have to. Just skip forward. Is the location open? Like if the place is permanently closed, they'll give you like $2 just for going there and letting them know. But this place was open. Make sure you're at the correct place that uses the GPS, or you'll get a notification if you try to do it and you're not there. So if I click it, so notice all of this, it's basically just saying you need to take clear pictures of each 4-foot section. So here we go. First one, salad dressing and toppings. So you're going to go into the store. You're going to find out where they have salad dressings, or if it's a different topic, you could find that. And then you're going to take each 4-foot section of the different dressing toppings. At Sam's Club, it's one aisle. You could get in and out. It may seem like a lot of pictures. When you've done this for a while, you could take the pictures while you're walking. So it's really not that hard. And then the next question after it is going to be displays. So there's like end cap displays. There's like those cardboard displays. Anything that's not on the shelf that is a salad dressing or topping, they want a picture of. So the end cap might have some salad dressing on it. Just take a picture of that end cap. Next question is going to be coffee. This is like non-liquid coffee. Whole aisle of coffee. So you're going to have to go to a different section. Kind of annoying. Not all of them are like this, but this one is one that's going to take a little bit longer than the other ones. After the coffee, displays for coffee. And then bottled or canned coffee. So like the ones that are in the fridge or the like Starbucks drinks. Displays of that. And then maple syrup randomly. So that would be like in like the cereal aisle. And then a freestanding display, that's just any display that they didn't ask for. I always get those ones while I'm walking out. So this one is more difficult than some of the other ones. For example, let's see if I can find the easy one. So this one for the protein drinks at Costco, just the one aisle for the protein drinks and supplement, and you're out. So some of them will be like 10 minutes, 15 minutes, but some of them will literally be like walking in and out of the store. So just keep that in mind and plan accordingly. You could reserve as many of these as you want, but keep in mind, a lot of times you might have went to go and reserve it and it'll say it's already taken. This app is really competitive. So if you see one, it might be already have been taken by someone else by the time you click it. So a way to make more money with this app is simply to just refresh it many times throughout the day, because they will drop all day long. So that's how you find the gigs. But now the fun part is that's how you find the gigs and do the gigs. But now the fun part is getting paid. How do you get paid? What form of payment is it? Well, it's going to be a direct deposit right into your bank account. So once it gets approved, so right now I could cash out $13. The approved ones will be in your earnings. These get judged by real people, so make sure you follow the directions and your pictures are clear. And once it's judged, and if you do a gig on like Friday night or Saturday, it will probably take a little bit longer for it to get approved than if you did it like Monday during working hours, because I think people are in an office somewhere, rate these, and then you get approved. So I'm filming this video on the 7th, so that it already got approved from this morning. So sometimes it gets approved really fast, and it'll be here. It'll show your earnings, and there's also a referral program, which I have like 870 people that signed up, so I get a lot of referral bonuses. One of the videos on this channel, after doing like 250 videos, actually got decent views, and a lot of people signed up. So this is where your earnings are going to be. So if you wanted to cash out, and then it will be a bank transfer to your bank account in a couple of days. You could do $1 all the way up to as many dollars as you want. Just cash out when you feel like it. The ones that say in review, these are the ones that you did that didn't get rated yet. So I did this one on my way home. I'm still waiting for it to get rated. Probably in a couple hours, I could cash out. Denied. I still get these denied somewhat often, and I do these every day for like the past 8 years. So you will get some denied. Don't get discouraged. They'll tell you why you got denied, and then you could correct it and not make the same mistake twice. A lot of times I went to the wrong location. Sometimes I took blurry pictures. I was trying to go too fast when I had multiple gigs at the same store. Just different things. Just make sure you don't do it wrong. Here's your lifetime earnings. That's everything you made on the app since you downloaded it. And then year to date, that's good for like tax purposes or whatever. Explore, you don't need to do that. Account job accuracy doesn't really mean much. It's based on the number of jobs you completed. Keep in mind with these, if you reserve this one, like I reserved this one, and don't plan on doing it, nothing really happens. Other apps, you might get penalized, but now you could just cancel and say like, I don't have enough time, and then nothing happens. Someone else can do it. So if you want to sign up for Field Agent and start making money with this app, click the link down below.